India's National Education Policy 2020 rightly places foundational literacy and numeracy, FLN, at the core of quality education, and the NIPUN Bharat mission has translated this vision into measurable progress. Yet, despite improvements in foundational learning outcomes, India faces a persistent and widening numeracy gap. The ASER 2024 report highlights a striking contrast. While 48.7% of Class 5 students can read fluently, only 30.7% can solve a basic division problem. No state performs better in numeracy than in literacy, signaling a systemic challenge. The core issue lies in the cumulative nature of mathematics. Unlike language where partial understanding allows some progress, math concepts are hierarchical. Missing foundational ideas like place value blocks future learning, making addition, fractions, or decimals difficult to grasp. Traditional syllabus-driven teaching, which moves ahead without confirming conceptual clarity, deepens this divide. Evidence from Pratva's teaching at the right level approach shows that aligning instruction with a child's actual learning level, not the grade-level textbook, is essential to prevent these gaps from widening. There is also a disconnection between classroom math and real-life application. Research shows that even students who ace textbook-based tests struggle to apply math in real-world situations, while children who work in markets often fail to transfer practical skills into formal math problems. This two-way disconnect highlights the need for integrated experiential learning. The consequences of the numeracy gap are profound. Students weak in math struggle in science subjects, which see disproportionately higher failure rates in board exams. Many adolescents drop out before class 10 not due to lack of access but because persistent learning gaps make classrooms incomprehensible. The fear of mathematics effectively shuts the door on higher education and future opportunities for millions. Closing this gap requires a multi-pronged strategy. First, FLN interventions must extend up to Class 8, especially since more than half of Class 8 students still cannot perform basic division. Experiences from d% to the power m$n, 8n, d%, I.J use that extending FLN approaches into middle grade significantly boosts outcomes. Second, India must move beyond foundational skills and introduce FLN plus skills, fractions, decimals, percentages, ratios, and integers, which are essential for board exams and future learning. Third, pedagogy must become child-friendly, activity-based, and aligned with students' learning levels. Finally, classrooms must integrate real-world problem-solving to make math meaningful and lasting. Addressing the numeracy gap is not only an academic requirement but also a social and economic imperative with direct implications for equity, employability, and the nation's future.